Nidha and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. In today's video we're gonna talk about this skincare product, and this is the Pink Clay Face Mask by the brand Clovia Botanica. If you have known the brand Clovia, which is very well known for the luxury products, I have almost all my innerwears and nightwears from Clovia, and their quality is just up to the mark. So recently they have come up with the skincare range which is named as Clovia Botanica, and you can access the skincare range at their website or their Clovia app also. They have a wide range of skincare products according to a skin type, any kind of skin concern, like if you have problematic skin or acne prone skin or dry skin, you can find products according to a skin concern also. While I was searching for something for myself, touchwood, currently my skin is behaving quite normal. Normally my skin is normal to dry type, but currently it's very normal, no dryness at all. And so I was just looking for some face masks for regular use. Then I found out this Pink Clay mask, which is meant for instant brightening and glow. So I got it for like regular use to just bring out the freshness on my face. Because of the outer heat, the skin is becoming so much dull kind. So उसको थोड़ा सा brighten up करने के लिए I got this Pink Clay mask, and till now I have used 2 to 3 times. 2-3 times I have used till now. Last month I got it. So here I'm gonna show you a demo how I'm applying this, and you can see the visibly difference of the before and after picture. I will add the clip here, and also I will talk about this product in detail, so you can decide like you should go for it or not. And one more surprise thing at the end, so stay tuned till the end, and also subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get further notification of new videos. And also if you like this video, give a like. उसके साथ you can follow me on my Instagram. I'm very much active there. Do follow me there. So without much delay, let's start the video. This is the Pink Clay face mask, and इसमें जो main ingredients है वो है Himalayan clay and seaweed and pomegranate. This is basically for brightening and glowing skin. And ये Himalayan clay helps gently cleansing the pores and detox the skin, and also helps to brighten up the skin. And whereas the seaweed helps to tightening the skin, and it has also anti-aging property. And pomegranate skin को toning and firming करने में help करता है, and also skin को younger looking and थोड़ा bright glow add करता है skin में pomegranate. The face mask is looking like this. Like the name said, the first mask is pink in color and very pretty neutral pink in color. It smells heavenly, and also the texture is just perfect, not very runny nor very thick. आप directly लेके skin पे अप्लाई कर सकते हो. इन नो नीड टू अप्लाई एनी टोनर और वाटर लाइक हम पाउडर वाले फेस मास्क पे जैसे यूज करते हैं वैसे नहीं करना है. ये प्रॉपर कंसिस्टेंसी में है, आप डायरेक्टली लेके फेस पे मास्क उसको यूज कर सकते हो. बहुत इजीली ये स्प्रेड हो रहा है स्किन पे. एंड यू जस्ट अप्लाई ए थिक लेयर ऑफ फेस मास्क ऑन फेस, देन वेट फॉर another 20 minutes just to dry out, then rinse it off. You can feel the instant freshness on skin, and the dullness and the all kind of dirt, makeup जो भी है वो बहुत easily remove हो जाता है, and skin is feeling like squeaky clean. You can see the before and after picture of mine. आपको clearly visible होगा skin कितना brighten up हो चुकी है, and ज़्यादा like बहुत अच्छा सा refresh look आ रहा है. So that's the thing this face mask is doing for skin. And आप कोई भी skin type का हो आप इसको use कर सकते हो. This is 50 gram of product and it costs 499 rupees. इसमें 2 years की मैन्युफैक्चरिंग उसकी लाइफ टाइम है. All Clovia Botanica products are free from harmful chemicals, parabens, sulfate and any kind of toxin products. These are all safe, skin safe. These are all filled with essential oils and natural skincare, natural ingredients. So much safe for your skin. Now come to the packaging. The packaging is it's a glass top bottle, and there is a screw cap and also a protection lid over it. You have to like scoop out the product through a spoon and apply. I don't recommend to scoop out through a finger. Just use a spoon and scoop out and apply on your face. If you have oily skin, then you can use this 2 to 3 times a week, but if you have dry skin or sensitive skin, then you can use it 1 or twice a week. So that's all about this cute little pot, this little face mask, and I'm completely in love with it, and I'm gonna order one more for me after finishing this one. Also, I want to try out their face wash range. They have really good reviews on them. Okay, so now come to the surprise part. You can use my coupon code to get additional 20% off on all the skincare range. I'll put the coupon code on the screen, and also I'll put the coupon code in the description box below. अब वहाँ से जाके उसको कॉपी करके यूज़ कर सकते हो at the time of checkout. So that's all about today's video. I hope you found this helpful. So do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I would love to read that, and also share with me any kind of video suggestions if you have any. Another thing I want to say, the time is very crucial, so please take care of yourself and stay safe, and try to maintain a healthy lifestyle to avoid any kind of bimari and all. On this note, I'm closing this video here. Stay happy and positive. Bye bye.